Validated. Have a safe shift.
Pressure in Unit 4 is peaking.
Diverting the flow to bypass. Pressure on tank 4 looks stable. Copy that. Let's check the relief valve. Check the pressure on column 4. It looks like it is running a bit high. Copy that, I'm on it. The reactor pressure is holding steady.
Perfect. Let's increase the flow rate.
The sulfur levels are dropping perfectly.
Pressure remains stable.
This batch looks extremely pure.
Sulfur content is minimal.
Perfect. Run the next test. Tanker 4 is locked and ready. All safety systems are fully operational. Maintain proper distance and check the monitors.